Reality shifting is a practice that allows you to disconnect from your current reality and transfer your consciousness to a new world of experiences. This process leverages the limitless power of your subconscious mind, enabling you to align with a version of reality where your desires are already fulfilled. While the idea of shifting realities may seem complex, it is something we unconsciously do every day. Every decision and every change in focus creates subtle shifts in your reality. However, intentionally shifting to a parallel reality requires clarity, focus, and an understanding of the tools and techniques that can guide you to success. If you believe in the multiverse and the existence of parallel realities, you know that every version of reality exists simultaneously. All possibilities are accessible in the vastness of time and space. Shifting your reality isn't about creating something entirely new, it is about aligning with a version of reality that already exists. By focusing your energy and attention on the desired version of reality, you can bring it into your experience. Even small shifts in your thoughts and emotions can lead to noticeable changes in your life. To shift intentionally, start by asking yourself, what does a completely fulfilled life look like for me? Visualize this ideal version of reality in as much detail as possible. Consider various aspects of your life, such as relationships, career, health, and personal growth. Your subconscious mind is designed to solve the questions you hold in your mind. By asking yourself focused, intentional questions, you activate your mind's ability to find solutions and align with your desired outcomes. This vision acts as your compass during the shifting process, keeping you focused and preventing distractions or confusion. Whether you want to manifest a single change or completely transform your reality, the choice is yours. Before you can shift, it is essential to prepare your mind and body. Relaxation is key. Enter a calm state, often referred to as the alpha state, where your mind is highly receptive to suggestions. This state allows you to access the limitless parts of yourself, free from doubts and mental constraints. Use meditation, breathing exercises, or calming music to help you relax. When you are in this state, your subconscious mind is open and ready to receive the affirmations and visualizations needed to shift. Steps to shift realities. Set a clear intention. Define the reality you want to shift into. Be specific about what you want to experience. Create affirmations. Develop 3-4 affirmations that align with your vision. For example, I am now living in my ideal reality where everything aligns perfectly. I feel empowered, joyful, and free in this new reality. Repeat these affirmations in a relaxed state until you feel an internal shift. Visualize your new reality. Create a vivid, sensory-rich image of yourself living in this new reality. Focus on what you see, hear, and feel. Imagine every detail from a first-person perspective. Tap into brainwave states. Utilize alpha or theta brainwave states to deepen your connection to the subconscious mind. Guided meditations can help you transition into these states effectively. Set intentions before sleep, if you prefer to shift while sleeping. Recognizing subtle shifts. Shifting realities doesn't always result in dramatic, immediate changes. Instead, the signs may be subtle. For instance, a coworker may interact with you differently. A small detail, like the color of an object, may appear changed. These subtle signs are proof that you've begun to align with your desired reality. Stay observant and open to these changes. Over time, these subtle shifts will accumulate, leading to more significant transformations. It is natural for doubt to creep in during this process. You may question whether the shift has occurred or whether it is working. Remember, the subconscious mind is always listening. By focusing on affirmations like, "I am now living in my ideal reality," you reinforce your new experience and strengthen your connection to it. The key is persistence. Even if the evidence starts small, trust that the shift is happening. Your belief and focus are the driving forces behind this process. For those who wish to explore this practice further, understanding the role of brainwave states can enhance the experience. Alpha waves, ideal for creativity, visualization, and affirmations. Theta waves, access deeper subconscious realms where lasting change occurs. Some people find success by starting in the alpha state and transitioning to theta with guided meditations or specific sound frequencies. Experiment with what works best for you. The power of sharing and community. If you've successfully shifted to a parallel reality, sharing your experiences can inspire others to embrace this technique. Your insights and evidence can help shift outdated belief systems and open new possibilities for those around you. By working together and supporting one another, we can collectively create a world of greater potential and possibility. Reality shifting is a powerful tool for transformation. By following these steps, you can align with the reality that reflects your deepest desires and goals. While the changes may be subtle at first, continued practice will bring about profound results. Awaken to the truth that reality is not fixed, it is flexible and shaped by your focus and belief. All the tools you need are already within you. Embrace this process and watch as your life begins to transform. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit. Let us inspire one another to create the reality we truly desire. Thank you for watching.